I'd like to welcome y'all to a new series of mine, Car Tour. In this video, we're touring a loaner 2000 Toyota Corolla. Let's go. This car uses manual key. Unfortunately, there's no automatic ones available for this type of Corolla. So in order to unlock and lock it, you have to do it the old way. Left for unlock, right for lock, vice versa. Let's get in. Now for the specs of the driver's area. Obviously here's the car key, but yeah. Lock, accessories on, next one down to start mode. But yeah. Automatic mirror control, some storage. Only a one-way automatic window for the driver's seat. Rest of the car have automatic windows too. Not automatic, but I mean motor driven. I'm guessing this is the Twilight Sentinel thing. And the newer headlight system. Blinkers. Off. Parking. Main headlights. High beam. The most interesting part of the car is the aftermarket stereo system. Plays a whole bunch of the basketball scene. My dad was laughing his ass off when he saw this. Apparently, there were a lot more background options than the basketball one. So here's the list. You press Enter or ENT to select your background. So there's the globy thingy. Some weird thing with a bunch of 7-segment numbers. Adam, maybe? No clue. Something spacey. Walking through a forest, maybe? Then a bunch of Pioneer audio thingies. Then we have this. The weird basketball thing from earlier. Sea life. When I showed Dad this, me and my dad were both laughing so hard. Then we have this with a bunch of wheels. Almost resembled a disco from what I saw. And finally, no background. How to drive safely without distraction. I'm sure the sale of this specific system may have been forbidden after a while. But here's what it sounds like. Not so automatic climate control. You can hear it going. Heat and AC. Manual recirculation. Fan. And an air conditioning button. And mode adjustment. Rear defrost. Automatic clock with a vacuum fluorescent display. Hazard. Rear view mirror. Hey, my driver. automatic lock switching for the driver, and shotgun seat, as well as the window disable mode. Additional storage down here. Pull-out cup holder with a capacity of 2 cups. An ashtray and a cigarette lighter, common in the 2000 vehicle. And obviously this really big gear stick with a manual park and brake. Additional storage. And obviously my side storage. Down here, a bunch of flimsy trunk and gas pump opening switches. And there's the engine. I'll show a picture of the engine in a second. Cruise, what I'd like to call the Toyota cruise stick, because it acts like a blinker. Push that in for cruise, down for slow down, up for speed up, and push in to cancel. This is the horn. Common Japanese vehicle horn. Overview of the driver's seat, the rear, no pull-out cup holder. No front light because obviously of this light here. And obviously a not so great conditioned handle. And here's the engine. So yeah, that concludes the front tour. And there goes the stereo system that beeps. Oh crap, I forgot one feature. To eject the disc from this thing, you push that in, and hallelujah. The shotgun seat in this vehicle is a lot roomier than I had expected. I'm 6'1", fits me perfectly, no bumps. Glove box with the owner's manual. Airbag warning. Sun blocker. And yeah. The back seat though, probably not best for the tall guy, so no wonder why the seat in front of me is better for y'all. But yeah, you get the rear light on, forward, door backward, then off, middle, and a built-in pull-out cup holder, automatic window, the manual pull-out lock, one of the clothes hanger thingies. The one thing that kind of sucks about this vehicle is the lack of the front range or the rear range, whatever, common in the more budget vehicle these days. So unfortunately you only get two-way adjustment. The forward and the back seat. That concludes the tour of this vehicle. Make sure to stay tuned for more of my videos and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.